This video tutorial I will cover with methods of instant class. Here I have defined the class instant demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created instant 1. Here I have created instant 2. Then I am calling with method of instant 1 object and passing adjuster as instant 2. This method returns instant object based on this adjuster. Here I have defined the class instant demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created instant 1. Then I am calling with method of instant 1 object and passing field as nano of second and new value as 800. This method returns instant object based on this field set.